What is up, YouTube? What's up, King? And I'm back with another my career running back. Now look, this is his return. Now here's his name. His name is DeMarcus Hyde. I didn't even record the first video. The first game. So it's gonna say 5 touchdowns. So don't mind me, alright? It's gonna say try to get 5 touchdowns. But look, we was balling earlier. I'm trying to run the ball, trying to get somewhere, but I don't get nowhere. It's alright though. But since I don't get nowhere, we'll be alright. Look, see, I had 20 rushes, 454, and 4 touchdowns. Possibly, I didn't say that way. And I always got sniffles, like, what the fudge? But, 2nd and 7. I'm about to boom somebody, guarantee. Like, look, giving me the ball. Oh, yeah, I'm gone. I'm gone. Nope. My boy Mike Thomas cannot hold his block. But it's alright, DeMarcus Hyde. Look, remember the number, 26, alright? New Orleans Saints. We're going to the Super Bowl. Right now we are 1-0. Because I have it, but audio messed up. So look, see, I find it, pick up that key block. My quarterback gets sacked though. Oh, never mind, he do it. Oh, snap. He really do that? Oh, my. Ooh, first 10 on the 24-yard line. I'm about to punch it in. Give me the rock. Get off me. No. Stop it. You cannot hold me. Too nice. Come on. This is all bad difficulty. So, I gotta... Shout out to everyone that's been watching the reactions and all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Look. Stop. When you better stop it, I will boom on you again. I ain't even gonna add nothing. That was just a typical everyday life truck. But now, sniffles. What the hell? But it don't matter. I'm tired of these sniffles. These suckers are annoying. See what I'm saying? Annoying. First 10. I'm trying to find the rock. Oh no! Look, get off me, boy! Look, you two. Get on! I'm now. No, boof. Yeah, you better review. Guilty. You better review. I'm not playing. Ha! Look at your nose. Nose long like goddamn hose. Alright. So, look. I'm down, obviously. Like, I'm not gonna fumble. This is the power back too. Power back with 91 speed. Yeah. Don't get it fooled though. First and 10, a gun. Look. Mind you, this game ain't gonna be long. Look, but I tried to bounce to the outside. But I ain't going nowhere. Doom. But it's alright. It's alright. My bad. 3rd and 11. Look, just feed me the rock one more time. Feed me the rock, right? Just feed me the rock. Look, get the ball. Boom. Touchdown. Look. I'm too good. I ain't enjoying the video right now. Look, see? Here's the thing. They're gonna take me out for somewhat of the possession. But it's cool. Look, can't make that ball again. Oh, I'm about to boom on somebody. I'm about to really boom on somebody. Boom. Look. 8 rushes. 99 yards. 12.3. Ain't nothing else you can say. Yeah, it's like guarantee. It's like type lit though. Alright, look, get back on the ball. I hate Look, just give me the ball one more time. Look, thank you. Get off me. Stop it. Stop. Look, I am not going down. I am the greatest at this. I am not going down. What don't they understand? Look, you see, look, just look. 1, 2, 3. Like 3 tackles in one. How many? Everybody think I'm gonna go down? Oh, so nice. Look, DeMarcus Hyde. Remember that name. I'm up for MVP. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Now look. They might take me out. Because look, my boy Alvin Kamara. So I get him in. He gonna get some work too. So, go ahead, look. Go ahead, Kamara. Get you some, put in some work. Yeah, nah, Shay. Hey, see what I'm saying? Look, see? They gonna take me out. Well, they gotta keep me in, but for some reason, I'm not gonna be able to use my dude. But that don't matter to me. So, look, 2nd and 7th, give me the ball. Oh, that juking. And then, like, just break it loose. Entry timeout. Look, Atlanta Rush for 122. I am the chosen. Now, boy, y'all watching this now? I know I'm very late. The video's not gonna end. This video's gonna end a little early. Not really much happened after that. Look, gone. Off me. Touchdown. Touchdown. I'm too much. I am too nice. Do not step to the great one. Yes, I'm telling you. Brutal. I'm just, it's like, I don't know what to do. They can't hold me. They should have scored 21-17. They up, well, we up by 4 points. But they still can't hold me. Ooh. My fault for Boston. My fault again. I'm sorry. Look. Chuck, get off me. Get off me. Get off me, boy. Don't ever try that day in your life. You don't want no beef. You want beef, I'll fry it, grill it, do whatever. I'm telling you, I told these boys you do not want to play with me. I'm too good out there. Like, I'm just running over the competition. Dang, man. Look, I'm gonna get my boys some pass yards. Look. Boom. Get off me. Get some more. Get a first down. I'm not reading how to just do a name. But I think it's dang. Nick. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Look. Right here I just started in the backfield. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I feel type of sad. Like, bro, I ain't really type of sad that just happened. Look, and see, they're taking me out for a play. Put in Kamara. Yeah, look, it's the greatest running back duo. But look, just look at the quarterback. Just like the quarterback putting in work. My fault. I was looking at the TV. I'm sorry for not responding. Look, for some reason, they keep taking me off for the entire possession. But it just doesn't make no sense. Oh, just say why. Look, another broken tackle. Who's gonna stop me? I don't know who's gonna stop me, boy. I'm too good on here. What are you talking about? A 9-yard game. Look, I'm actually gonna run it again. Nah, Shay. Look. Yo, for some reason, I keep saying look. I'm sorry. You. I'm out. Guaranteed. Taunting on my boys. Hey, if y'all can see me right now, I'm right here. I'm over just Millie rocking. I got 500 yards this season. Yo, it's only been 2 games. What? I'm gone. Stop it. Look. This wig is bad. Oh, these are just like regular clips of stuff that already happened, like a recap. So thank you for watching, guys. I'm out. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Peace.